Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other menus include such as Apple Carplay and Android Auto, park assist with all-wheel drive and drive selector, as well as panoramic sunroof and so much more. Come check it out. Right onto the interior, going to these all black doors. We're going to have paneling and storage on the bottom, as well as our rear liftgate control, as well as our seat memory. It's also going to come equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows, as well as your chrome accent handle. You're going to have your Equinox badging, of course your power adjustable driver and passenger heated and ventilated leather seats. Very comfortable. You're going to have your ventilation as well and your lighting controls on the bottom. Onto the steering wheel too, you're going to have your cruise control, forward collision alert, as well as your lane keep assist and your heated steering wheel option. And the right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now with the odometer cluster control, you can pretty much just access all of your vehicle information, as well as your Bluetooth connectivity and navigation and other vehicle information as well. Of course, you're going to push to start. You're going to have your climate control as well on the bottom. You're going to have your auto stop and hazards, of course, and then as well on the infotainment, you're going to have your Apple Carplay and Android Auto, like I said, with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and navigation. You can also access your front and rear camera, as well as your 360-degree camera. And down below here, we're going to have 2 USB ports, as well as an SD card reader with a wireless charging pad on the bottom. You're going to have your park assist and all-wheel drive, gear shifter with cup holder, as well as center console with 2 extra USB ports inside. Passenger side, same stitch and finish. It's going to go across the door as well and across the dash. You're going to have speakers up top as well. You can also access your reading lamps, your sunglass case holder, and as well as your OnStar and SOS. You can also access your panoramic sunroof. You're going to have these 19-inch alloy wheels here. We're going to have the paint match mirror caps, as well as the paint match keyless entry door handles, luggage rack up top with deep tint rear glass. You're going to have your black badging in the back as well. The power liftgate comes up here with the all-weather mats. You're going to have your foldable seats for maximum storage with extra hooks and tie downs with the 12-volt DC port, and also extra wheel well storage just under. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear now, same style, speakers on the bottom with storage and cup holder. It's going to come up here with power windows, the chrome accents. Lots of leg room stored behind the passenger and driver's seat. You're going to have your rear ventilation with rear heated seating, 2 USB ports, as well as an AC wall charger just down below. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side, and right above you is that sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, navigation, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.